ivike nzima kakhulu for ifamily yakaMaputla kanye ke nefamily yakaSiyakamela njengoba ke o-businessmen noma amadodana abo engaziwa ukuthi ke ashonephi aphelelepi. Bathi ke uMaggie uzoblema ke uMapitsi for what has befallen Tibus. Kanjani guys? Hello everyone, welcome back to Hosane Live Trend. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 26th to the 30th of January 2026 on Monday. Captain Babeile vowed to leave no stone unturned in the search for missing businessmen. Someone's fate lies in the hands of his sworn enemy on Tuesday. Maggie places blame on Mapitsi for what has befallen Tibus. A desperate mother's prayer echoes through Teflop on Wednesday. Mahlatha's smile in response to tragic news leaves Litetso disturbed. A miraculous reunion offers hope for those in peril on Thursday. Pretty is stunned by the news that Francois shares with her. A family member grows concerned about Clement's behavior on Friday. Elizabeth confides in Stogo about her secrets. Clement's attempt to numb his guilty make things worse. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.